Houston, Harris County. Sunday afternoon. Yeah. We can still cross over there. I don't want to get in their way or anything. They can't possibly be getting through. Maybe that's why he's U-turning. It's about 7 p.m.
They can't get through there.
If it was still,
We got more coming in.
if the bayou was still overflowing.
Is it that high then? Because, man, they should be able to go through it.
Are you recording or are you on Facebook?
This is recording.
Oh.
So
I think we got one maybe coming in. Do you think we could walk up and see where we're going, or do you think that'd be...
I don't think they're worried about us. Exactly.
We'll see into the distance. That could be good.
Surprised they can get through. I didn't think it was that high.
Oh, no.
You didn't. There was a car underwater.
Yeah. There was a car in the water. Car in the water, and the sign that was almost completely covered.
Yeah, but they're just not able to go through.
Probably. Emergency vehicles.
I don't know where they're trying to go, but you know, they're either way they're gonna get messed around here.
Yeah, they can't go that way.
They can.
And they can't go this way, so I don't know what they're.
So it's not like something right here that's happening. They're just trying to make their way.
Well, I'm not sure what they're going for.
Yeah.
But they were trying to. Well, as you see, they're trying to. See, none of them know, so they keep going this way. But they've
The hope
got
to
'em-
God, whoever was trying to get to is okay, but I
Yeah.
think that truck just got us trapped.
Yeah.
Just now?
Yeah. I think it just got
But you
stuck.
know, they should have,
They're just sitting there, but you know, they should.
Don't try to go either direction, man.
I'm hearing some. I'm hearing some crazy
It's high
noise.
on either side.
I loop around, yeah.
Yeah, don't try.
the car underwater on that side.
Yeah. Don't try.
Woo.
Get under.
Oh,
Just want to save you the misery. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God.
Oh, there he comes.
Oh God.
Yeah.
He's in the middle of the deepest part of it right now, dude. He may not
He just U-turned into the deeper side. I don't know why he did that. He should have backed up.
Yeah, that's not good. But guys, if you want to know what's rolling, they can't get through this road and they got an emergency they're trying to get to. And
Hey,
it's
he's
so
making
high
it.
up.
I think he's making it.
That is so deep,
He's
dude.
coming out. So this vehicle is probably like got a,
This is the first
set up.
responder vehicle though, dude.
yeah, he's got a,
This isn't an ambulance or anything. It's first responder vehicle.
yeah, he knows what he's doing.
Dude, okay, I'm glad he's alright. Good job. That was awesome.
Yeah, he made it through. That was interesting.
Are they stuck or is it right here? I'm just
They
kind
got-
of curious.
Yeah, because where did this guy come from? Did the river go down? I mean, where are these cars coming from?
Jesus, stop trying this guy, dude. Okay, thank you. But you're gonna hit the ambulance while he's in the. What the fuck is it? I didn't just say that on your report.
Yeah, he cut short.
I'm gonna put explicit language warning.
This
We have-
is coming down again. Shoot.
We get out over there.
We have a teenager with a mouth here.
I'm not a teenager. Shoot.
That's what teenagers always say.
Really? Look at my driver's license, dude. What's the ambulance doing now?
Don't know.
I don't expect y'all to know answers.
One of those is not. That's not a fire truck. That's some kind of.
No, it's a ladder truck that went
It's
by.
a ladder
earlier.
truck. That's what it is.
That's a ladder truck? Yeah.
Straight ahead.
Yeah.
What's going on? I don't know.
They can't get through on either side here, so we're trying.
Yeah.
Where are they going? We don't know. We just know they're getting stuck right here, and they got stuck over there too. First responder just got out, but they barely got out. But they can't get anywhere. Look, they're gonna try to. Oh my God.
That truck ought to be able to do it.
Yeah, it should, but it's still so deep. There's a car in the water on it.
There's that big ladder.
Yeah, that's what I saw on the ladder truck.
Those are my trucks. I worked on those.
Wow.
I helped build them.
Awesome.
Really?
Yep.
Oh.
So you helped build them.
I did.
Wow.
Polaris fire apparatus in Holden, Louisiana.
Would they be able to go through like 10 foot of water or no?
Not 10 foot. They should be able to go through that.
Oh, that's the one because there's cars underwater.
Completely underwater?
Just about.
Yeah, there's a car stuck over there right now.
Yeah. And there it's like or up higher. Oh wow. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That's deeper than it was.
The bayou's full.